Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you 2 ways that you can record your drums. That's coming up next. Alright guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jared. I'm a professional drum teacher here in Plano, Texas. Today I'm showing you 2 ways that you can record your drums. This has become a really essential skill for me in my line of work. Over the years, I've had to learn how to record my drums, to make YouTube lessons like this, to make Instagram videos, to make content for my students. I also run a drum membership site online, so I have to, record and edit content for that as well. So this is a really valuable skill and you can totally learn it. It is not that difficult. I'm going to teach you everything that I know right now. So the first way we're going to talk about how to record your drums is kind of the more traditional method. This is a bit more in depth, but again, it's not that difficult. So what we're going to be using for this, you need an audio interface and you need a DAW, a digital audio workstation. Basically, what you're trying to do is get an analog signal, which is like a cable from a microphone or an instrument like a guitar. You have to get that analog signal converted to a digital signal that your computer can understand. And that's where an audio interface comes into play. You're going to plug your instrument into the interface plugs into your laptop, boom, that's it. That is the sequence. That is the chain of events. There are many different interfaces you can use and many different DAWs, digital audio workstations. I have a Focusrite interface and I'm using Logic Pro as my DAW, as my digital audio workstation. You can apply this to acoustic drums or electric drums. I'm obviously using an electronic kit here, so my setup is pretty simple. I'm just using 2 1/4-inch cables, so going out the stereo outputs, the right and left master outputs on the back of my drum module. I'm plugging those directly into the first 2 inputs on my Focusrite interface, and then my interface is connected via a USB cable to my laptop, to my MacBook Pro. Okay, once you have that set up, you need to gain up the volume on your inputs. So on this Focusrite interface, those gain knobs are just right on the front. I just have them both, at 12 o'clock straight up and down. That is going to ensure that you're getting enough signal to your computer. And then the next thing you're going to do is open Logic Pro. Okay, you're going to start a new project. From here, you're going to go up into the settings here. You're going to select Preferences, Audio, and then under Output and Input Device, you need to select the name of your interface. Mine is called Claret 8 Pre USB, but yours is going to come up, whatever the name is. Okay, once you have that selected, now you're going to go to Track, add new track, and then add a new audio track. And you're going to select inputs 1 and 2. You're going to hit enter, and then boom, you're going to see those tracks appear here, and then you're good to go. You are recording. It's as simple as that. When you're finished, just press the space bar, go up to File, go down to Share, and you can export directly to your music library. Okay, the second method you can use to quickly record yourself, this is like the easy way. This is like the plug and play method. Okay, this doesn't work on acoustic drums unless you're already like monitoring yourself somehow. So for example, if you're at a gig and you have a monitor input mix, and you want to just grab some footage of your gig, this method is going to work, but it only works if you already have like a headphone source. So for electric drums, it's very easy because you could just plug into the back of the drum module and just bypass the whole like interface thing we talked about earlier. What you need is just 2 pieces of gear. You need this Merino Customs Vlog cable or some other form of splitter cable. I love the Merino Customs. They are super high quality and they sound amazing. You will be shocked if you've never used a high quality headphone cable before. The clarity that you're going to experience is amazing. So you can actually use my code Shantos10 to get 10% off your very own Merino Customs Vlog cable. So you're going to plug that into the back of your drum module or your, your monitor, your in-ear mix that you're using at the gig, and you're going to have one end of the cable is your regular 1/8-inch headphone jack where you're going to listen to yourself just like normal, and then the other end is this stereo 1/4-inch output. Okay, that piece is going to plug into the second component, which is the iRig 2. So you're going to go directly into the iRig. The iRig is like a miniature tiny interface, okay, and it has an 1/8 inch output that you can get a dongle to attach either to your iPhone or your Android. Boom, you plug that into your phone, and then when you press record on your iPhone, the audio and the video are already synced up. It's amazing. It's like magic. This is what I use to make really fast Instagram content. Just to grab something quick to throw on a story or maybe a quick reel, or to just record a quick lesson note for my students. I also use this to teach my FaceTime students, and like on Google Meets, you just plug that adapter into the FaceTime call when they need to hear your drums, and it's amazing. Your drum audio comes in crystal clear. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial about how to record your drums. Let me know if you have any questions. If you'd like to download the checklist, the How to Record Your Drums checklist, just click the link in the description of this video and enter your email in, and I will send you the checklist. So thank you guys so much. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next lesson.